Hello everyone, is here Michael again from Cash Creation Clan, CEO of Cash Creation Clan, and today I'm here to show you the latest pin update called EARNFLOW, and I'm here to also show you payment proof and how people are using this platform to earn. As you can see, basically there are multiple ways for you to earn. You can earn by performing tasks, in which you can earn up to $5 per task, and then you can also earn by referring, you can earn by watching videos, you can earn by advertising, and you can also earn by mining, and the withdrawals are instant. So these are the reviews by the people, like the people that have used the platform. These are reviews by them that they have earned over this and this on this platform. So for you to get started, you just have to click get started now for free, and you'll be able to register an account. So this is the registration page. So all you have to do right here is just to input your username and your email address, then leave the invitation code that came with the invite link, then put your password, confirm again. Then when you click on send OTP, an OTP will be sent to your email address which you inputted here, and when the OTP is sent, you input it in the box, and after that you'll be asked to log in. And when you're asked to log in, all you have to do is just to input your credentials here, and then you click on login, and your account will be created successfully. And don't still forget that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes only. Please do your research on this platform before you join. But note, this platform does not require anything like deposit. It is free. You make money on it for free. This platform is a free platform in which you make money for free. You don't require depositing or investment or nothing at all. So once you register and log in, this is the landing page, the home center. Then you can join their WhatsApp group, their WhatsApp channel, and their Telegram channel, so that you'll be getting the latest tips, updates, and exclusive rewards that they'll be posting in the Telegram channel and on the WhatsApp channel. And as you can see over here, this is my balance. And when you successfully register an account, you'll be seeing something like bind wallet here. So you have to just to bind your BEP20, your Binance Smart Chain, your USDT wallet address on Binance, on BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20. You bind it there. Then this over here is when you want to log out. As you can see over here, I currently have 177,609 points over here, and 500,000 points equivalent to 500 is equivalent to 5 USD, and you can make that money very easily. You can make the money very easily. For you to withdraw, you must complete all the tasks. Let's go to the withdrawal center. Now if you come to the withdrawal page, as you can see over here, it is showing completed tasks 0/10, that you must complete all tasks before withdrawing. So, and the minimum withdrawal is 500,000 points, as you can see over there. So you must complete all tasks, both in the task section and in the watch section. And if you want to refer, just click on refer here. Referral is also one of the fastest way. Referral is faster than mining when you want to make money on the site. So when you click on refer, you can see your invite link and how you can refer. So if you go to the task section, you have to perform tasks. Just perform all tasks, and you'll be earning 500 points for each task you perform. And they normally update their task every single day, so you have unlimited task you can perform and be making more money for yourself. If you go to the mining section, as you can see over here, I have already reached my mining limit, and all I have to do is just to claim point. It mines 500 points per minute, and it stops in 1 hour. And in 1 hour, I've made a total of 30,000 points. So I have to claim my coin. After claiming, I start mining again. As you can see, my money has started mining again, and now my balance has added with 30,000. But let me refresh my balance. As you can see, it just increased to 200,000 points, and now my balance has increased. If I now go to the advertise section, the advertise is if you want to place an advert on the site so that your advertisement will be shown in the task section. Maybe you're a business owner, you have a social media you want to grow and others, you can advertise on the task. So once you come to this advert section, I have advertised with them before, so that's why they said that I should create my ad task. So I have to just input the title of your advert over here, input the description of the advert, and put your advert link, and create ad task, and it will be added to the task automatically. Then if you come to the watch task, this is where you can watch videos and earn. So I've basically explained everything in this platform. Don't still forget that once you come to the home page, join their Telegram channel and their WhatsApp channel for you to be able to see the latest updates on the site. And also, if you encounter any problems, like this is the withdrawal session, if you also want to withdraw. So that would be all for now. If you have any question, go into the comment section below and ask my question. You can join my WhatsApp group or my Telegram channel in the channel description. Also, if you want to make money online without any investment, you can simply subscribe to my channel. I post tips on how to make money online for free. So do it to subscribe to my channel. Keep pushing, keep building, and keep creating your own cash creation clan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.